because the way technology is evolving, it's proven that 70% of existing professions are going to be finished in next 5-10 years of time. So what will be required? The basic requirement would be of active mind which is empathetic, a mind which can collaborate, a person who is physically fit, is spiritually connected, and boarding school is that platform which provides all in nutshell. Alright, so you have to take a call whether you want to be part of that rat race or you want to prepare the child for a bigger life.